In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Miro. If you've been working on a collaborative board in Miro and are ready to share your work with others, exporting it as a PDF is a convenient option. PDF files are universally accessible and ensure that your design remains exactly as you intended, no matter who views it or on what device. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your board in Miro. You'll need to be in the board you wish to export to a PDF, so log into your Miro account if you haven't already, and select the correct board from your dashboard. Once your board is open, take a moment to review your content. Ensure everything looks just the way you want it, because any changes made after the export process won't be included in your PDF. Next, you'll want to locate the three-dot menu in the top left corner of the screen. This menu is your gateway to a variety of board options, so it's a handy tool to get familiar with. Clicking this menu reveals a list of actions you can perform on your board. The layout might feel a bit crowded if you're not used to it, but don't worry. Take a moment to let your eyes scan the options until you find what you're looking for. From there, hover over the Board option. This should expand a further set of commands related directly to your Miro board. It might feel a bit like navigating a drop-down menu, so if you've done that before, you'll be in good shape. Within that expanded menu, you should see an option labeled Export. Go ahead and click Export. This might feel like an extra step, but it's designed to make sure you're accessing the right export method for what you need. You'll now see different options for saving or exporting your board. For our purposes, select Save as PDF. PDFs are great because they lock your content as a static image, preserving your design exactly as it appears on the screen. After clicking Save as PDF, you'll be presented with a few settings and choices that may appear. Customize these settings if necessary, depending on your preferences or needs. Finally, click Export or Save. This action completes the process of converting your Miro board into a PDF file. Depending on your browser settings and system setup, you might need to choose a location to save the file on your device. Choose a location that you'll easily remember and can access later for sharing your work with others. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Your Miro board is now exported as a PDF, ready to share or print as needed. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel confident exporting your work. Thanks for watching, and stay creative.